How to make money on Fiverr, Part 1. You've got your account created and you filled out your profile. Now it's time to take things to the next step and start planning on how you're going to make money with Fiverr. This can be the tricky part, as there are so many different options you have for products or services to sell. However, by taking it step by step and coming up with several different options that would work for you, you can be successful. Creating a list of potential products and services. One of the first things you should do is sit down and think of your talents or skills and create a list of potential products and services you could offer on Fiverr. Don't leave out anything, because chances are there are buyers for that particular thing. It could be anything from creating beaded bracelets to writing taglines for new websites or companies. Take the time to create a list that is fairly populated so you can pick and choose services and products later. To get you started, ask yourself these questions. Am I good at crafts? Are there any crafts I could create that would sell for $5, and can I make them quickly enough to make it worth it? Do I have a great voice? Could I do voiceovers professionally? Am I great at writing? Could I write testimonials for companies or other things for $5? Do I have a funny hidden talent? Could I be a model for a company or showcase their best products? Do I have any other services that I could offer for $5? By taking the time to think about these questions, you will inspire your creative self to come out, and you'll get some great ideas for products and services to sell. Considering what you'll actually make. Now you have to think about the practical side of any of the services or products you're going to create. You might be a fantastic painter, but if it takes you an entire week to create a beautiful painting, you're not going to charge $5 for it. However, if you can make a child's hair bow in just 1 to 2 minutes, it's definitely a great idea to sell it, or even a few for $5. Think about how much money you'd like to make per hour, and then plan your products and services according to the number that you want to make per hour. Consider shipping costs. Another thing you're going to want to consider is how much it will cost you to ship specific items to the buyers. They will need to pay your designated shipping costs in addition to their $5. So you want to make anything you ship very cheap or free. You can't afford to make shipping free if it's something that will cost a lot to ship. So consider this before listing any item. While a small hair bow can ship for just a few cents, a custom backpack would cost more. In the next section, we'll continue discussing how to make money on Fiverr and how you can do it without a lot of hassle.